But that's overall the weekly profile I do expect. So it's a bullish profile, and it can be a rally with a Monday low of the week or a consolidation to midweek rally. Treasury bond market next week, week 23, 2024. We expect the continuation of this retracement into at least this inversion fair value gap inside the precaution block, and a reaction from it to reversal and begin to rally will be expected after Wednesday, maybe on CPI, FOMC, and continuation of it during Thursday. We will keep an eye on overall 3 months target, which is these two levels of buy-side liquidity. Looking instead into the dollar index, we do expect a continuation of narrow consolidation or gyration in between this high and this low, and the inversion fair value gap, while the treasury bond market can rally. But since the dollar index is expected to consolidate, we can have some sort of deep retracements or purge of the recent swing lows during the indices rally. The market has already started to rally on this past week, showing the reaction from the weekly busy and creating a signature in price action. It can seem normal swing low making, like low, lower low, higher low. But if you look closely and measure this week, you can see that the first low has been made about 25% of this week, and the second low, which is a lower low than the first one, and it is moving below it just to reach the 2 months inversion week, which is a higher time frame array, and then it rejected and start rallying. The June target is still 55108.5, and this is where my monthly target resides. We do expect this inefficiency to be supportive and start seeing higher prices, but due to the dollar index expected consolidation and the fact that there is no news on Monday and Tuesday is the day prior to CPI and FOMC, we will be likely to see consolidation on the first part of the week to then rally higher on the last part of the week after Wednesday CPI or FOMC to continue on Thursday. There is also going to be a potential scenario, which is essentially what I have been tweeting on the if on Monday we see a rally and a willingness show of bullish prices, I will be looking for a New York AM continuation or a PM or New York PM continuation to then a Tuesday consolidation and a Wednesday Thursday continuation, maybe with some crazy weeks on the CPI release or FOMC on the PM. But that's overall the weekly profile I do expect. So it's a bullish profile, and it can be a rally with a Monday low of the week or a consolidation to midweek rally. The euro and the pound still confirms the theory I've been looking on dollar index, which essentially expect a consolidation into the weekly inversion fair value gap. If we do not get that, and we get a reaction from the weekly busy, that means we will be likely also to see a dollar index decline, and that will put us more favor for the indices rally, and the probabilities to see a low resistance liquidity run will be increased. But since dollar index is bullish, I doubt is going to be that result. From the gold perspective, instead we have a 3 month busy here. This candle has yet to close because it's going to close on the June month closure, but I do expect this buy side liquidity to be created, so I don't expect price on this month to really goes way below the open, but it can retrace into this monthly buy side liquidity, which is likely because on the weekly chart we can see that we have made a high, people has started selling prematurely, then we made a low inside this weekly inefficiency, then we rally, people long and put the stop here, we push them, we push the sellers that put the stop loss here and the breakout traders that are going to be pushed on this reverse, and then we are aiming for this low to be taken out. Looking on the daily, we can see the market maker sell model being deployed as it see, with a region consolidation, first accumulation, second accumulation, smart money reversal, a low risk sell, which produced displays beyond the dealing range 50%, which is here. Then we have had a time distortion element, a push of the recent swing highs to reverse down and accelerate lower to reach the origin consolidation low. Once it reaches this low, I will be monitoring if acceleration begin, and in that case aim for this monthly busy high, or a reversal happen and we can see a return to the daily range of this potential daily range that is going to be created.